Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Hyundai I30 and this is by Majorette and this is from their main line and our street cars you can say. And I bought this for 199, which is the MRP. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So personally I actually bought this because I usually don't buy cars which are available in India, but this one looked really nice because more specifically the rims on this one looked really nice. Oh god. I just bought this knife and I'm trying to see if I can utilize this for unboxing, but it is a bit hard to do that. So looks like I need to resort to my old one, it seems. So I do have some new knives. I am not going to say no, but okay. Let me just put it here. Okay. So here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. Let me just put some light. Okay. So you can see some scratches here. Usually this roof of the car actually touches that blister pack and it always has the issue with even Hot Wheels or even Matchbox, Majorette, whatever comes under blister pack without any support on the top or bottom, this things happens. And the good thing is you can see the acrylic headlights and the logo placement is really nice, but there are no grill details here, but that is fine. um, it has rear view mirrors which is really nice, and it has tail light details. The logo on the rear also looks really nice, honestly. So if you just look at it, this looks like a separate piece, but the tail light I'm talking about, I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, the interior looks really nice. I do like Majorette's interior because I think they're trying to stay true to the car actually, because you can see this is different, and whatever I'm going to unbox in maybe in coming weeks and all, that is going to be different. The rims, personally, I like this particular set of rims, so I actually bought it. I personally bought because of this rims alone, because this suited this casting really well. So that's the whole reason I bought. And body is fully metal, chassis is plastic. You can see. So the wheels are actually plastic, and does have suspension, but it is really nice and it sits really well. Not nothing awkward or anything. So let's weigh this casting and see how much it weighs. Okay, 35 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, let me just. Okay, so this is the size we normally keep. Okay, so I recently cleaned this track, but I'm not sure what's the height I actually kept. But I'm not sure if it is rolling really well. It is rolling smooth. I am not seeing any wheel wobble. Yeah, I'm not seeing any wheel wobble, but still, it doesn't roll quite well like I expected it to be. Okay, maybe let's put the track a little bit on the higher side. Let's see now. Okay, still it doesn't reach even the end. Okay, so overall it's a beautiful casting, and if you are able to get this without any scratches, that is totally cool. And personally I would recommend this casting, if you are really into this hybrid SUVs, in general SUVs, or these kind of cars. This looks really cool. So one more thing, guys, if you are an Indian car brand collectors, this is also a good. This is a good casting for your collection. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.